What do you think? Pues this guys, we're checking out the sofa bed. Let me stand back a little bit. It's super wide.
No?
Yeah. Nah, but I mean it'll be okay. The only thing that if you sit down right here, you're not gonna be able to
Lay your back.
It's like a bed right there.
Yeah, single, the single size.
Mm. No, but you know what will help if we buy some big pillows, the long ones.
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah, that way it's more like this, and we sit down and we can still lean back. Got my. I mean, yeah. I mean, whatever works.
I add 500 for this.
You add 500 pesos?
He said it's so much work. Well,
But is this gonna fold out though, or what?
Yeah, you still need to
Bisagras right here. Oh yeah, look. Let me show ya. This is gonna fold out. Esto. So de aquí se agarra y se va a hacer para allá. Entonces va a ser sofá cama. Ok, va a ser un sofá cama. Y le digo a ella que sí está ancho aquí, pero con que agarremos unas almohadas de esas grandes, entonces ya se puede sentar uno y pues se acomoda ahí, ¿verdad? Pero va a estar pesado este. It's gonna be heavy, baby.
If you buy wood from here, this one is not gonna be like this.
No.
Depending how they cut the wood,
Pero está muy buena. La vamos a pintar. We're gonna paint it. And we'll see, guys.
You see this one right
here? El sofá cama. We sold our bed frame, so we only had to add 500 pesos to this. So we really didn't spend no money.
No, I spend more.
Okay, so how much did you spend then? You said 500?
Like 1,000 plus.
Oh, 1,000 plus.
Like 1,000 plus.
Gastó como 20, 25 dólares adicionales. Pero bueno, de modo. De modo, porque pues eso es lo que necesitamos ahí para tener más espacio. That's what we need to have more space. So.
I like it.
You like it? I like it too. If we put some big pillows, like I tell you, it's gonna be.
Expect, super nice because